Hey, today is Saturday, it's getting close to be 10 o'clock at night. I'm at the Athens house. The renter is supposed to move tomorrow. When I arrived here a couple of hours ago, I was supposed to do a little bit of cleaning and a little bit of touching of paint. And when I enter inside of the house, my helper Speedy says, "You will not like it." I said, "Hey, I see a little bit water on the floor, it's not a big deal." The more I enter in the house and I see the challenge that happened to me, it got me terrified. So instead of doing a little cleaning today, I had to peel the ceiling because my helper Rick, he was supposed to finish the roof. He told me it's gonna rain a few days ago. He was very slow. My manager told him, "Hey, look, just do half of this roof, and when you finish with the other half, you can start on the other one." He did not want to listen because his ego is big. So when someone is trying to give you advice, think about it and analyze it, because maybe that person tried to help and care for you. My helper fell from the roof today because it was wet. He's in big pain. He does not know to manage his money, and I cannot let him to be in pain, so that will cost me money because I care for the people that help me in my job. So I had just to peel where he needs it. It's a very easy job, but many people does not like to do it because they get dirty. Even if I wear fancy clothes, when I see something that has to be done, I just do it. We just finished the shower, and when I came in, I see the ceiling fall apart. Myself, I just painted the whole bathroom. Looks like I have to redo it again, the ceiling. And I can see in every room that the ceiling is a problem because of all the rain. So I just finished to paint this room myself. It's supposed to make a video for the final tonight for you, but it looks like it will be another day. Extra work, but this is life. Challenge happens. Just move forward. Until next time.